Hello, welcome to Make Baby Headband with Anjurisa. In this video, I will show you how to make this baby headband from the beginning to the end. If you love anything about baby headband, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. First, I will start from the red flower. I'm going to cut the fabric using a soldering iron. If you want to know which fabric can be used, you can click the link here. This is the template that I used to make the red flower. The size is about 2.5 inches. Place the fabric on a ceramic tile and place the template. Heat up a soldering iron and start cutting. Cut 6 pieces. And burn the fabric to curl the petals. Like this. Prepare needle and thread. Take 2 pieces and lay them like this. So the first petal curls up and second petal curls down. And the next one facing up, then facing down. Continue with the fabric curls up and curls down. Stitch the fabrics together. Prepare lace fabric and cut a circle. Attach the circle to the flower. And sew some beads and rhinestones. Our red flower is finished, and now prepare the other flower. I have made this crochet flower tutorial. You can click the link here for details. Attach the flowers together. Next, I will make the tulle fabric flower. This is the template that I use, and the size is about 1.5 inches. You can use any shape to make this tulle fabric flower. Again, I'm using a soldering iron to cut the tulle fabric into flower shape. Make 14 pieces. And lay 2 pieces like this. Now I will show you how to assemble this. This is for the bottom layer, and now I will make the top layer using 6 pieces of the tulle fabric. Attach them together. And embellish the flower using stamen. Finish the back side of the flower. As you can see this, we will cover this using the red flower. Prepare a piece of lace and attach it here. Next, I will make the frilly flower. This is my template, and the size is about 2.5 inches. I'm using a soldering iron to cut the fabric. This is my favorite tool to make fabric flowers. Cut 5 pieces. Arrange the frilly flower. Prepare stamen. I will take this off and cut the stamen using pliers. And attach it here. Next, attach the frilly flower. Prepare a piece of felt fabric to finish the back side of the baby headband. Prepare an elastic band for our baby headband. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.